Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. It's me Hasna and today's video is a tasty and delicious breakfast recipe. I'm going to be making the Spanish omelette. Yes, this is a keto diet friendly recipe. So now let's get into the video and see how to make it. So guys, with the help of my mom, I made this recipe. So before we go into the video, make sure to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. So now let's see how to make it. So I have a bunch of roughly chopped vegetables here like baby tomatoes, the normal onions, spring onions, carrots and some broccolis. So now I'm going to chop these vegetables using this chopper. My mother helped me dump the vegetables into the chopper because an adult supervision is must when you're dealing with sharp objects. Now I'm just chopping the vegetables. So now the chopped vegetables are ready. So now I have taken 2 eggs and now I'm going to transfer them into a bowl. My brother was really curious to see what I was doing, so he helped me with the egg. So now I'm going to beat the egg along with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and some Italian herbs. So now add some milk to your egg and beat it. Now I'm just adding all the chopped vegetables to my egg and then beat it again vigorously. Now heat up some oil in a frying pan and then pour your egg mixture in it. Let the egg get cooked completely. Keep your stove on low flame. Now place a tawa on the pan and then turn it upside down so that the other side also gets cooked on the tawa. Now a delicious and tasty Spanish omelette is ready to serve.